is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
It's 5:14. It's into the evening, and we're actually looking at a beautiful day. Pikes Peak, we're a little zoomed out, nice little triangle shape over blue skies. By the way, isn't it nice to have just a crystal clear blue day? Because we live next to the mountains. Those of you living in the Pikes Peak region, we get those clouds to come off them so easy. So this was kind of that treat that Pueblo gets a little bit more often. 85 degrees. It's very dry, so this is a comfortable 85. 10 degrees cooler on the other side of the mountains, but yeah, Pikes Peak, Woodland Park, not bad. 75. That's a good temperature. Still a little toasty in Pueblo, but I tell you what, with humidity as low as it is, a little bit of a wind, this is classic Colorado dry heat. This is not that big a deal. And Pueblo, you're in for a beautiful night, just the same as Trinidad. Fisher's Peak with blue sky. You got one or two little clouds over top. That's about it so far today. Taking a look at the region, 85 in Colorado Springs, 90 in Pueblo, a touch warmer out east by La Junta in Lamar. So definitely the spots where we usually expect the heat, we're seeing that so far. And I do tell you what, we'll look at the nighttime temperatures a little later into the show as you catch us around 6 o'clock. I think we're in for some real cool mountain valleys out there. Pollen count a little bit lower in the grass. If you're bothered by reeds, ragweed, well, this might be kind of annoying for the next couple days. Now there's a big change coming in the weather pattern. Do you see this aggressive dip in the jet stream? It's going to spark a cold front that arrives Wednesday night, brings us a little cool down by the end of the week. And today, it wasn't too windy, but tomorrow we'll start to feel that wind Tuesday through Wednesday. Also, I mentioned the humidity, dry air pulling right into Colorado, so it feels good. Now, as far as rain goes, we're going to be dry this week, but tomorrow we might see a couple stray thunderstorms. Not at lunchtime, generally between 2 to 5 o'clock off the Raton Mesa, maybe even Fisher's Peak itself, over through Los Animas into Prowers County. Can't rule out an isolated little thunderstorm through this corner of the state. You see at 5 o'clock, one or two left on the map. Past then will dry off. By the time we get to the winds, well, they're going to start to pick up just a little bit tomorrow. Not in the morning. I think you'll notice the winds a little bit more at lunch. So here's a snapshot at noon. Kind of coming all over the place, different directions, but gusting into the 20-mile-per-hour range for a lot of the state through Tuesday afternoon. Again, this isn't super windy, but it's probably the only thing of interest in the next couple days because there's no rain for Colorado Springs. So tomorrow, 84. And we like it so much, we'll try to do it again for Wednesday. Wednesday will probably be windier than tomorrow will, and then we'll see some good wind Wednesday night through Thursday morning, but that drops those temperatures just a little bit, and yeah, plenty of sun. Good hiking weather, but it is a little dry, so we'll just watch for some fires out west in the mountains. Pueblo, 90s, but hey, look on Thursday. We do kick you back a few degrees from a cold front Wednesday night, so it's going to be kind of breezy or windy the next few days, but that's all right, because Pueblo, that just makes it even nicer when you're working outside. Just cools you off a little bit. Canyon City, still some good days to be rafting. It's going to be a little windy, though, over the next couple ones. Thursday, Friday, that bridge, the Royal Gorge Bridge, is going to be swaying a little bit extra, so if you got time off and you wanted to visit it, just know that. And then Woodland Park, my favorite temperature is 70 with some sun, and we're right next to it Friday afternoon, so I think in the mountains we're looking at a good weekend, guys.